In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about different reporting options within Pardot. So here we are in the Pardot application, and across the top bar, you should see two different tabs. One says Pardot Reports, the other one just says Reports. So the reports on the right, this is just a tab to the standard Salesforce reporting feature set. Now, because of connected campaigns, if you have that set up within your org, you can actually report on quite a bit of Pardot data directly within Salesforce. And you can see a lot of that data alongside your standard Salesforce account, contact, activity data. But we're going to look at Pardot Reports for right now. So Pardot Reports is more tactical. So you can really leverage Salesforce reports to see, campaign ROI, and try and connect some of your marketing efforts to revenue on a more strategic level. Within Pardot Reports, this is really, I recommend you think about it on more of the tactical level. So the first thing we see here is campaigns. This is going to be less useful if you have set up connected campaigns. If you don't have connected campaigns set up, then this would be quite helpful, because this is your strategic view of campaign performance. Beneath that, we've got connected apps. So in one of the previous videos, I showed you how to set up different connectors in Pardot. If you set up some of those connectors to other systems, you can see data related to those features here. For example, video views if you're connected to Wistia, or webinars if you're set up with GoToWebinar. Beneath that, we have a conversion report, and this is looking at conversions from visitors, anonymous visitors, to known prospects in Pardot. Then we have the lifecycle report. This shows an overview of the prospect lifecycle, starting at anonymous visitor, then turning into a known prospect because they filled out a form or they clicked on a link in an email, then looking at marketing qualified lead. So this is if you assign a prospect to somebody, that would be considered a marketing qualified lead, because you're passing that prospect from marketing over to a salesperson by assigning them to a salesperson. Sales qualified lead is going to be when a salesperson creates an opportunity. That would be considered an SQL, and then of course closed won deals right beneath that. Then under marketing assets, this is where you're going to find more of that tactical reporting. You can look at the content that you've uploaded, different files, PDFs, that sort of thing to Pardot, and you can look at your email performance, list emails and template emails, see what their open rates are, click-through rates, bounce rates, those sorts of things. Beneath that, we've got forms and landing pages. This is primarily going to show you views and conversions on that form or that landing page. Then social posts, and a little information about opportunities related to prospects and different categories for scoring. So the main thing to remember when it comes to Pardot is that Pardot reports are really going to be more tactical. Salesforce reports with connected campaigns will be more strategic. There's also a third way to do reporting with the system, and that's through the B2B marketing analytics suite. That's much more advanced, something we'd cover in another video. So thanks for watching.